How to change PIN on Smart Wallet app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change PIN on Smart Wallet app. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to change your PIN on the Smart Wallet app, you can directly head over to the application itself. And once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So all you need to do is head over to the bottom right corner and open up your settings. After that, you will be finding this menu page on your screen. So from here, you need to head over to the security tab. Open up the security, this one right here. For that, you'll be getting an option where you can change your PIN. So go ahead and tap on change your PIN. And in order to change your PIN, first of all, you need to enter your previous PIN for security reasons. Go ahead and enter the 6-digit code, your PIN. After that, it gives you an option where you can create up a new PIN. Go ahead and enter it. Confirm it by entering again. And once that is done, your PIN will be changed on your Smart Wallet app. So therefore, that is it. That is how you change your PIN on Smart Wallet application. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.